these viral products worth your money? I swear there's so many being shoved down your throat literally 24/7. So I've tried them all out. Totally unbiased, bought it with my own money. Let's go over some of my faves. They're all from Amazon, so they're all linked. The Mighty Patches. If you have acne, blemishes, stop picking at your skin, use these. They actually do work. They're into your skincare right before you go to bed. Just make sure your moisturizer is completely dry so that it stays on all night. This is one of my faves. Faded Topicals Brightening and Clearing Serum. This is like one of the only like skincare products that I notice an actual difference from putting it on the night and then waking up in the morning. It actually smells like literally horrible. Like rotting eggs, milk, I don't know. It's just so bad. But it works so freaking well. If you have acne scars, anything, try it out. Trust me. It was super popular last year. Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops. I love this stuff. I think this is my like third bottle of it. Plumps and hydrates your skin. It's so well under your makeup. But specifically, if you use benzoyl peroxide, like the Polish Choice, which is also a great product, but that's not what we're talking about right now. Putting this with it is so beneficial. This doesn't have any pork logging ingredients, which is their only product from Glow Recipe that doesn't. So the Lumify Brightening Eye Drops. I talk about these all the time. I use them all the time. They actually do whiten the whites of your eyes. Makes you look more awake. Helps if you have like redness or yellow in your eye. This little bottle can last you a really long time. I use these for like special events or photo shoots I have. It literally just like makes your eyes so much brighter. Sol de Janeiro scent. They actually are that good, unfortunately. My current favorites are Rio Radiance. This one's really nice for summer. It's like warm floral. 52, the classic, you know. It's like salted caramel and pistachio. Just like a warm scent. It's really great. I absolutely love 68. This one is floral and fun and flirty. I swear these bottles last me so long. The e.l.f. Brow Lift. I literally used the same brow product for like over a year. I was like, nothing can be better than what I'm using right now. This one was. e.l.f. Brow Lift is so good. If you like fluffy or laminated brows, definitely try this. It's literally like $6. I'm like embarrassed how many like fingerprints are on this. But the Patrick Ta bronzers, foundation, blushes. This one is the bronzer. This is in She's Bronze. I literally use this almost every single day. The powder and the cream duo is just like perfect. The packaging is insane. It has a mirror inside, which is super helpful. This lays so well on the skin, blends so easily. You get such a good amount of product for the price. And I literally just ordered their blush. I think it's supposed to come today. I'm so excited. But like, I trust all of them. They're all great. Refy Primer. I had some serious doubts about this. I did a whole review on it. It is so good. It's not like sticky on the face where it like feels weird like the Milk Hydro Grip Primer can be, but I swear it makes your makeup last more than 24 hours. It's just like the lightest little coat of primer that will make your makeup last. Hourglass Vanish Concealer. I had been thinking about this for literally months and I was like, no, I'm not gonna get it. It is so good. I think this is my favorite concealer right now. So hydrating, sits so well under your eyes, doesn't crease. Pretty much everything you would want in a concealer, this one is. Everything's linked. Let me know if there's a product that you want me to try out. I do a big haul every single month trying out viral products. Or if you have any of these, let me know which one's your favorite.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.